Today on Currie Explained, our machined billet steel E-track bracket. Hey, what's up guys? I'm John Henson for Currie Enterprises, and sometimes it's the simplest things that just make our life easy. Something you didn't even know that you needed, like this billet steel E-track bracket that we machined up. The bracket can be welded right onto the axle, probably on the tube like this. This is going to be an option on our 9-inch and our Dana 60 rear ends moving forward. So if you have to tie something down on the trailer, or you need a way of pulling it up onto the trailer, these brackets are going to come in real handy. These E-track straps, available from plenty of different manufacturers nowadays. They're really simple to put on like this. You can weld on the bracketry to your frame, maybe onto a lower control arm, but we are going to offer these on our rear ends moving forward to make your life just a little bit easier when you're tying down your car or truck. If you have any questions on the E-track bracketry, feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or leave a comment below if you like it.